Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to check your storage capacity in your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Google Smart TV settings. So from the screen right here, head over to settings. On getting to settings, click on OK on your remote control. There is take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to system. Then click on system right. Then from the system right here, navigate to the sidebar right here, and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to storage right here. So right here, navigate to the sidebar. Then you have the internal shared storage of your Google Smart TV. So this TV here is running on 4.3 gig total space. So it's that simple. This is how to know your storage capacity on your Google Smart TV. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Google Smart TV, consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.